All right, let's dive in. If you're a parent or a teen here in Milton, you already know that learning to drive in our town comes with some, well, let's call them unique challenges. So we're going to break down how to pick a driving school that gets a new driver ready not just for the test, but for a lifetime of safe driving on our roads. And really, this is the question that cuts right to the heart of it. It's not about parallel parking anymore, is it? The real test, the thing we're all thinking about, is getting a new driver ready for the speed, the complexity, and the split-second decisions you have to make to safely navigate one of the busiest highways in North America, which just happens to be right in our backyard. So, before we can even talk about the right solution, we have to get a really clear picture of the problem. Let's take a look at the specific hurdles that new drivers are facing every single day, right here in Milton. This slide just nails the daily reality, doesn't it? One minute you're creeping along a quiet residential street, and literally the next minute you could be merging onto the 401. You've got to deal with that constant, heavy traffic on Dairy and Britannia, navigate those chaotic plaza entrances, and, oh yeah, do it all in sun, rain, snow, or ice. It's a pretty high-stakes environment from day one. Okay, so a key piece of this whole puzzle is the official Beginner Driver Education course, or BDE. You've probably heard of it. The big deal here is that completing an MTO-approved BDE course lets a new driver take their G2 road test 4 months sooner. That's a huge difference, just 8 months instead of waiting a full year. So it's a really big factor in the timeline. But here's where things get really interesting. Even with a BDE course, there's this hidden problem that a lot of standard driver training just doesn't solve. It's something called the practice gap. So what in the world is the practice gap? Well, think of it like this. It's the huge difference between just putting in the hours behind the wheel and actually mastering a wide range of skills in all kinds of real-world situations. It's not just about the quantity of practice. It's all about the quality. And this comparison just lays it out perfectly. On the one hand, you've got hours logged, just driving around the same quiet neighborhood over and over again. And on the other hand, you have skills mastered, deliberately going out to practice things like lane changes on busy roads or merging onto the highway. One builds a little familiarity, the other builds actual life-saving skills. And the research on this is crystal clear. The whole graduated driver licensing system, it works. And this is a big but, its safety benefits get watered down when new drivers don't get enough high-quality, real-world practice before they start driving all by themselves. Basically, if we don't close that practice gap, we're not getting the full safety advantage of the system. It's that simple. Okay, so what's the answer? How do we deal with Milton's unique challenges and bridge that critical practice gap? Well, it all comes down to finding what we could call a gold standard solution. And here's the most crucial point. The best approach isn't just a handful of driving lessons you check off a list. No, it's a complete system designed from the ground up to create a confident, defensive driver for life, not just for the 20 minutes it takes to pass a road test. So what does a system like that actually look like? Well, it's a curriculum that's focused on the skills that are going to matter long after that test is a distant memory. We're talking about advanced hazard perception, seeing a problem before it even happens. We're talking about anticipating what other, maybe distracted drivers might do. And, super important for us here in Milton, specific strategies for managing speed and complexity on those highway ramps. But, teaching these skills in the car with an instructor is really only half the battle. The real game changer, the real innovation, is using technology to guide what happens between those lessons during all those crucial practice drives with a parent. So for instance, some schools like Young Drivers of Canada are integrating these amazing AI-powered apps, like this one called Driver's Coach. Think of it like a guide right in your pocket. It turns what could be a random practice drive into a structured learning session by telling parents and teens exactly what skills they should be working on next. This is how you close that practice gap we were just talking about. Okay, this all sounds fantastic, right? But it definitely brings up the very practical question of cost. So let's talk about the investment in driver's ed and the really important difference between price and value. When you actually put the different approaches side by side like this, the difference becomes incredibly clear. On one side, the focus is on lifetime habits, and you get a structured system with a tool to guide your practice. On the other side, the focus is often just on the specific routes for the road test, treating it more like a checklist you just have to get through. A system versus a checklist. Now, a comprehensive program that has all these features,
It does have a higher sticker price, for sure. So, for example, a full MTO-approved BDE course at a school like Young Drivers of Canada here in Milton, it's going to start somewhere in this range.
So here's the bottom line. The decision isn't just about finding the absolute lowest price out there. It's about weighing that sticker price against the long-term value of investing in a complete safety system, one that builds real skill and confidence that will last for years and years.
Okay, so to make this all super actionable, here's a clear roadmap for you. First, just decide on your timeline, 8 months or 12. Then, pick a package that actually includes the kind of driving your teen is going to be doing. Use the tools you have, like an app, to build a consistent practice habit. And a great local tip, since we don't have a drive test center in Milton, make sure you plan your trip to either Oakville or Burlington way in advance.
At the end of the day, it all really comes down to this one single question. It's the one that cuts through all the noise, all the options, and makes the choice clear for every family. Are you investing your time and money in just passing a 20-minute test? Or are you investing in a lifetime of safe, confident driving on Milton's challenging roads and everywhere else life takes you?